what we're going to do now, cam chain tensioner. But first we have to line up the index marks, which is very close already, because I was near TDC. So I think this is to provide the least amount of camshaft tension, chain tension. And it seems very loose. We got a couple of This is the spring force, and there's a metallic part to it. Oh, I don't know if it's metallic. I'll have to check that out. It doesn't actually look too bad, but all this cleaned up and kept except to replace the about this line across the base of it. Doesn't need much of a look. Yeah, I don't know what to do about these, if they're fit for a replacement or not. contact point for rocker intake, rocker 1. It's probably the lowest. Measure it right in here. Measures in at just 94. It's not bad, but it's on the minimum. So the one that makes contact with the keeper. If you pay attention to it. I think it's domed, like meant to be domed. For reduced wear probably. Anyway, this looks really nice. Very good contact. No scoring. It's one eye. Intake 2, really nice contact, but there is some gouging. I don't really know what it is. Okay, that's what I'm looking at here. So we have everything apart. Rocker's shafts out, so just the valves and the valve spring, the valve guides, of course. This is the one that's a little bit concerning. It's definitely some gouging going on. So I'm a little concerned about that. The rest of them don't show any signs. I mean, there's the little tiny little bits of, but anyway. Little pits and dots in there. cylinder head oil orifice. One here and the other here. And I've taken them out just with pliers and they look like that. And on this end, if you were to see through, they collect oil and they send it towards the cam carrier, these guys. There's also dummy holes which have seals on them that I've broken, but I was curious about it. And that one, same over here. They look basically the same diameter as the orifice holes, but they are blocked off, so they just need to be sealed to the bottom half of the cam carrier. I'll bag these up. This will be number 25. Just this bag. Orifices. Now the cylinders are coming up too, but oh, you stupid idiot. There's another one. No wonder. Oh man, it's gonna come off so easy now. This long guy is the one that I missed right on the front. Alright. Wow. That is a lot of carbon. Holy crap. It is just flaking off. Oh my god. It's actually like elevated. I bet you the compression ratio went up from this. Oh. I need to get a closer look on. So that's what we're looking at. The side view is kind of nice. Okay. The valve faces look good. Looks like maybe on this guy we might have some sealing issues. Exhaust valve. And the pistons, I don't know what they were running in this thing. It's like I need a shovel for this. Yeah, pretty gross.